Hey guys, welcome to Cyber Made Simple. Let's dive right in. Today we're diving into the top 5 must-have free cybersecurity tools that you can start using right now to keep yourself safe online. These tools are essential for anyone looking to enhance their online security without breaking the bank. Whether you're a casual internet user or a tech enthusiast, these tools will help protect your personal information and keep your devices secure. Let's get started. First up on our list is BitDefender Antivirus Free Edition. BitDefender is renowned for its powerful protection against viruses and malware. The free edition provides real-time threat detection and automatic updates, ensuring your system stays clean from harmful software. One of the standout features of BitDefender is its lightweight design, which means it doesn't slow down your computer. You can continue your tasks without any interruptions, while BitDefender works silently in the background to protect your system from various cyber threats. This tool is perfect for anyone looking for robust antivirus protection without the complexity of paid solutions. Next, we have Malware Bites. Malware Bites is an excellent tool for scanning and removing malware that may have slipped past your antivirus software. This tool specializes in detecting and eliminating malware, spyware, adware, and other malicious threats. The free version allows for manual scans, which is perfect for occasional deep cleaning of your system. What sets Malware Bites apart is its ability to detect zero-day exploits, meaning it can catch threats that other software might miss. Regular use of Malware Bites ensures that your system stays free from any hidden malicious software, providing an additional layer of security. Coming in third is Avast Free Antivirus. Avast offers comprehensive protection with a range of features that go beyond basic antivirus protection. It includes real-time malware protection, web and email scanning, and even a Wi-Fi security scanner to ensure your network is secure. One of the unique features of Avast is its Behavior Shield, which monitors your applications for any suspicious activity. This proactive approach helps in identifying and stopping threats before they can cause any damage. Avast is user-friendly and provides regular updates to keep up with the latest threats, making it a great all-rounder for anyone looking to bolster their cybersecurity defenses. Number 4 on our list is LastPass. Managing passwords can be a hassle, but LastPass makes it simple and secure. This password manager securely stores all your passwords in one place and auto-fills them when needed. The free version includes a password generator, secure notes, and multi-device synchronization, making it easier to manage your online accounts. LastPass also offers a security challenge feature, which analyzes your passwords and provides suggestions for strengthening them. By using LastPass, you can ensure that all your passwords are strong and unique, significantly reducing the risk of your accounts being compromised. Last but definitely not least, we have ProtonVPN. Online privacy is crucial, and ProtonVPN provides a secure and private way to browse the internet. With the free version, you get access to servers in 3 countries, unlimited bandwidth, and a strict no-logs policy to keep your browsing activities private. ProtonVPN is developed by the same team that created ProtonMail, a highly secure email service, so you know your data is in good hands. Using a VPN like ProtonVPN not only helps protect your privacy, but also allows you to access content that may be restricted in your region. It's an excellent choice for enhancing your online anonymity and security. And there you have it, the top 5 must-have free cybersecurity tools. These tools will help you stay safe and secure online without spending a dime. Each tool offers unique features that cater to different aspects of online safety, ensuring comprehensive protection for all your devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cyber Made Simple for more tips and tricks on staying safe online. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.